Fiifi.
Rich.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I want to say.
Nyame Adam. Na me so o voice no of a brand wo shebo on Saturday na. O ana.
Voice no.
Yeah, because I think they net that stream no o voice na.
Oh, say no do obi ate.
Da bi me be say nka wo san bona wanga san tina utie dia wo ka se wo beye. Enye ntokwa. Wo de tie Richardo to bo ase. Me dey say be me ntimi here on this cafe me say.
Okay.
But one okay. Me minimum was an honorable man. Wo nya basa basa. Itimi me ntimi kra, I mean, me ntimi kra na nya wo nya basa basa. But senya wo honorable Sakura kra na sebe eye wanu onyam kra no. O me ye ball Sakura o camera so na 2000 there. Enye scam out. So, iti ni a wo kan ne say Odo sabo table no se ka je ko fit mama ka say rich obi aso titi me san ko bon David material no problem mama nya me analysis
okay
o ka che make etia me mama ye din se ko fit tie na ya akora na me say mat boss me akora bibi anim e na odo sabo table so pan say Monday dru na Chelsea she Paris Saint-Germain wo di sika no e be to table yi so na ma fa kan intimi srawo any day more, Bemena, opening cashier, out your gum. For 2000 to table no so. Na mean come on kind, ni en queenim. Ntokwabi enim. Obiambu bia, obianti obia, obianfu obia sika. Why? Na ye wi an ye pese ye ka kire mo no. Ni aka kire mo ne ye queen.
Enti me ka se me ntua ba den.
O ka so ntua me de me adwuma. But o integrity ne wa bonten.
Masa, I thought that integrity e hu ya.
Okay, mate.
Emfaso bi integrity edi.
Mate. Media meeting in your
over the music o the integrity ebe dada
usika
what is integrity
now usika me gini sia ye be make question here ni ache baby akọ first can free no mate say okoji sika bu o baby me so mu tie me sika ni emba back itie bia company di betua because e bet ni echi ma se da na matem wana me buy ma yedin sika no munya de to say na me fa ma mu two man fa ma me so me nka she me ye madwuma ni wi a more integrity at stake. Multimedia Ghana, especially in Nhyira FM, any host, power sports, riches medonko, integrity at stake. But I mean to us one, and I be his canaba.
Listen to me. Look, Samuti Bishop PSG on Monday.
Yeah.
Personally, me, remember 1,000 Ghana.
2,000. Because say yes, PSG on Monday. No 2,000.
Nyame ya adoma. So also me 2,000 on Monday. Someone to shape this PSG team. I will give you 2,000. You have to me the best one say. Me the best one. Eh ya, me the best one. Who ya no befa. Just do better as a PSG. Masa nya na ni ya be hobo. Me can't me. Listen to me. Look, Samuel Bishop PSG on Monday.
Yeah.
Personally, me, remember 1,000 Ghana.
2,000. Because say yes, PSG on Monday. No 2,000.
Nyame ya adoma. So also me 2,000 on Monday. Someone to shape this PSG team. I will give you 2,000. You have to me the best one say. Me the best one. Eh ya, me the best one. Who ya no befa. Just do better as a PSG. Masa nya na ni ya be hobo.
The is kind fast.
The dia pa be shame
na be show mu de owi a commander si mi bi say o ma meti ase ana. Na me say no ma meti ase o eh the froze so here ya so minimum no 5-1 and also so ma meti ase ni ontufo asma commander ka say me kan che o di 50 cedis
ano penso wa frame you
wa frame tufo na no na me tezi
say no ha no bi frame no
obey kwabna donko
fia obey ne nkasa no pe promise to do ana mam so obisan za da dia asem bi because onim say after Sakura no BBNC ana so hwe
what's that shebo
onte ani ekutie ana so o Sunday voice ni ma me nua girl no so omo ma me no nti ana ma me friend no so kwabna dey
adey kwabna
Fiifi no wa obeku o
ne yesi nwa utifie na ho ebusia fo so mko Facebook yesi Fiifi asaso asumofidi Richardo I can't borrow. And I can't get over 1,000 my analysis, million my budget 1,000.
Oh, mama 1,000. So mama produce 1,000. Debbie,
me can't 1,000. Okay, only can't 1,000.
Me catch us my 1,000.
Ah, easy.
And now we are so 1,000 this.
Order for 2,000.
And I was me 2,000. I don't pay me the 2K about me buy producers over there.
Okay, there, Charlie. You see. Say 1,000 okay do dey. Maybe analysis na gasa. It's omo share no. E form comments in especially Chelsea for no. So omo budget 1,000 a omo famra. Ye kan omo budget no omo famra. Aka be 10-15 minutes emphasis to 20 minutes answer. We are then ye be kan say 1,000 omo budget ani age. Omo ngia because omo na me so omo. Omo nya na fe ekwa enim. Ye nya analysis no. Me sure ne de me bodi aka asem ti afa cheme. Weekend di Michelle, we are Chelsea near the dame tactical board no so. Enye dae na wo so. Enye dae. Enye boapayo. Enye bibi na esi ena wahu. Eye real. So when we say tactical board no so ya tro Chelsea Football Club world champions again. It is right. Which I think say for Menura Obia o share match ni bia ebia na on share na nhwe Chelsea no
Kofi tie mame so men kan asem kire ade a wo Chelsea for ne yen so me dabi tie me kan no kwa kire ai abrante bo say friend say ai Cecil Charles say me men GS kan no be wura studio a masa Kofi kan me ntua mo mra studio na mabo me come to the studio come and beat me
mami wi me analysis me wi are ha
ebo ba kwa ma se na are force
enye bo ba
obi wa se bo so ntua da bi da
o de Mateo ba bi
scan me yi bata se mo ye na wa ntua na beba mo mna studio me pekura me ntua scan no na be ko
o de ba me nyam analysis me show me see era obi a o share match ni bia me so ye Chelsea ni a answers are pay yes no enye una beba studio bia ma studio yes e obi o share match ni bia no seem like a lot of people are surprised. I think that for people like me, many are surprised. And yet non-Chelsea fans on Kwa. And while we need to run Dr. Kofi Isha boy, he looked very surprised. He ended Dr. Kofi has and ran and he share game, you know. And Utie na kwame man open na kwame say me kan just kano tuya afina hair. Everybody looks surprised. But I don't think there had to be a surprise. Rich, in the game in Chelsea and Paris Saint-Germain boy no, there was an Enzo Maresca tactical masterclass. That's say afena oba. You have to join me on Facebook to enjoy the tactical masterclass. Enzo Maresca the Euro game. And I will start the analysis like this. Say Jason Betty zoom into this picture for us while I'm by it. Rich, the first thing that Enzo Maresca here in the game. Ebuano emani timi wini match no. Asema ono Enzo Maresca nankasa ekaye after the press conference, after the game. It yebecha asema Enzo Maresca kai. They will analyze the hows, the whys, and then how Chelsea timi adwuma no mo ye no. And Jason again, so you zoom into Enzo Maresca tactical masterclass no. Then we can take it from there. Richard Osikandi we are will focus on that. Rich, yebo game ni we ya. Enzo Maresca echo pre-match press conference echo din koma. Richardo. Rich Enzo Maresca kukuduru wonuma odi koma no masa. Asemo odi kukuru mo ka che semchofo no was simple. Quickly what he went on to go and say say ono Enzo Maresca no. He won the game in the first 10 minutes. And I'm saying what did Enzo Maresca mean to say by saying say he won the game in the first 10 minutes? And then and then you see how did he Enzo Maresca a winning game in the first 10 minutes? And then and prepare a winning match in the first 10 minutes. It's Rich. This is what Enzo Maresca said after the game. Or see, we won the game in the first 10 minutes. The message before the game was let them understand we are here to win the game. It sets the tone for the game. Rich, Maresca can't ask him we happen. Now Luis Enrique so akwa the pre-match press conference. And now Luis Enrique eko cha enam ede to asema Enzo Maresca kind so no. Rich utienya Luis Enrique kind na. Enrique say the match was difficult from the very first minute. Chelsea had more energy. So what does it mean? It means that Enzo Maresca in the first 10 minutes, he won the game. You know? It is this. And again, Maresca said in a pre-match press conference, I say the idea was to go man to man. Maresca in a post-match press conference, man to man. Because if you leave spaces to PSG, they will kill you. So we try to be very aggressive and suffocate them early on, and that intensity was crucial in the first 10 minutes. This is what Enzo Maresca meant. And Rich, there is a tactical annotation that buttress what Enzo Maresca did in the first 10 minutes. Obia Oshe game Libya will tell you, say, in the first 10 minutes, Chelsea were the most aggressive side. Chelsea considered the most fouls. And so what Johnny has on the tactical border. Now, Enzo Maresca say in the first 10 minutes, or man to man, it is clear over here. If you look on the tactical board, across the field of play, PSG 4 years omo bobona. Now Enzo Maresca in the match alpha players Libya 1v1, 1v1, 1v1 across the first play. But Rich, what did this do? Adi Enzo Maresca kind of say, the intensity and then the tone of the match. And my PSG for it, yes, yes, born here about the border. Yeniabre. Ebia Muna Mosi European champions. Obia Mamo fans were one thing. But for us, Chelsea, it was about territorial dominance and then making sure that we instill ourselves in the game in the opening 10 minutes of the game. And Rich, boy, it was the best 10 minutes I've seen Enzo Maresca play. In fact, inside 10 minutes, no, Kopama nyasa a chance now, or boy, a foul pole who play Coco Shano, because at that point in time, Chelsea wanted to be tactical. And Asema Luis Enrique Caino, also in the sense that, also in the first minute, Chelsea showed tactically that they wanted to win the game. Tactical master class from Enzo Maresca. But Rich, and here no winning match. Many Enzo Maresca and said that was the game plan that won the game. What won the game, in my opinion, was what happened after the first 10 minutes now. Because Rich, only there, because Paris Saint-Germain for most teams on the press your man to man. At that time, once Chelsea set the tone on the pressing man to man, Paris Saint-Germain for only teams at Chelsea man to man throughout the game. But the man to man at Chelsea was just to set the tone for the match and not press man to man throughout the game. Into Enzo Maresca, or see, it was the first 10 minutes, the intensity for the first 10 minutes. Luis Enrique said for the first minute, it tells you that the man to man was just for 10 minutes. And once you set the tone, once you tell them, say you want to be the aggressor, not the underdog, it means that you can go back and instill your tactical plan throughout the game and then win the match. Now, what did Enzo Maresca do after the game? Rich, Chelsea bought a formation on paper of 4-2-3-1. And the 4-2-3-1, Trevor Chalobah, Levi Cole, Marco Crea, Malo Gusto, in Fiifi or yeah, idea match has several times say. So what is a Maresca say ope send the midfielder back, the winger back question Fiifi or Parisien from Fiifi. It's about dominating the middle of the pack. Now, whilst Paris Saint-Germain for players now tactically and technically very good, Ayana and Sema Metaika say about intensity, about physicality, and then combativeness. No, Paris Saint-Germain boys need NB and Chelsea boys. No. And then only day, in terms of even technicality, Enzo Fernandez, Moise Caicedo, Reece James are technically on par with these guys. And then on the day where they have to show, they show that intensity and they go the job. That it's in if you want them. It was Reece James, it was Abrante friend Moise Caicedo as a double pivot. And Enzo Fernandez in the left half space over there. And the Abrante friend Cole Palmer ever share the right half space, but for him to load. Rich, Enzo Maresca again. They be a Paris Saint-Germain common. Yes, Paris Saint-Germain 4-3-3 no bono. Ni fullbacks ni me no ebe banenim. Now what Enzo Maresca did with this tactical setup was that Opushi Abrante friend Malo Gusto to play more or less like a winger. It is the tactical annotation and the map on the tactical border. You will see the map of Malo Gusto was more like a winger. It's because of Malo Gusto. He constantly pushed Abrante friend Malo Gusto in the wide area, and then although Kopama started nominally as a right winger, Kopama will come inside into the house space, but the Chelsea person, they overload. Reach all of Chelsea's 3 goals 3 goals came from the tactical overload on the right hand side from Enzo Maresca and Nhyira. Now, this is the first one. Again, Shemia, join me on the tactical board. Because Chelsea manage the intensity and set the tone for the first 10 minutes now. It's only after that. From that time, say Chelsea answer ball now without the ball. Chelsea sat in a compact block of a 5-4-1 without the ball. It's on pressing Paris Saint-Germain giddy. You starting and all pressing. From the 10 minutes, no pressure again. We sit off you, mid block, we hold on to the ball. You trying to mistake. Rich, I catch you on Saturday as the ways Chelsea can hit Paris Saint-Germain was the long ball from my brand here, friend Robert Sanchez. It's Richard. Usman Dembele na akwa press Robert Sanchez wa hasi. So Usman ko press Robert Sanchez no. Robert Enfino. Robert essentially do not over elaborate or ball long ball into the channel. Now in the channel no, because a Chelsea for actually Paris Saint-Germain for ni na ball banim no. You can tell say Abranche friend Malo Gusto is 1v1 with Abranche friend Nuno Mendes. And in that area, there is Fabian Rui close to Abranche friend Cole Palmer. Once the long ball went inside, at Chelsea, any Abranche friend Malo Gusto on from there, they were able to win the duels from that area, transit, and then get goals in there. Maybe goals now. So that you see exactly where tactically Chelsea sets the tone for the game and then won the match in that regard. Brilliant tactical display. And this is the first ball for Malo Gusto. Malo Enya Boni Fetchine. Kopama came, overloaded the far post, and then slotting the ball into the back of the net. It was an excellent tactical tone set by Maresca in the first 10 minutes. Or set it tone and I say, you set it tone but we will not press too aggressively. You be baiting into the press. And you be catch Robert Sanchez say, Emani over elaboration be our bonim. Onya bona onya to was here. Holding on to the ball. Now on ball long. He played the long 2 times. Nhyira Malo Gusto. Playing as an auxiliary winger, although he started from the left, right back corner, and then overloading the right area. That was the job at Chelsea for masterclass, brilliantly got the job done. Now, Rich, I saw this annotation. Abra Mufri Dr. Kofi, when I was still with him late into the night. Now, I game now.
Before I bet to us, yeah, Dr. Kofi.
Dr. Kofi, okay. You enjoy the time, yeah.
But at here for Dr. Chelsea Nick power.
Big Chelsea fan.
But then they will see who's seeing.
Yeah.
Our Nifiona F crack.
No, also a surprise over Nasan why you did now it was as own Pekasa. Now, so about saying there, I show no sooner. Oh, yeah, now the other D, and you put Munimono. Everyone should show no maybe. Oh, you are a very quiet man.
Dr. Kofi, and I pay good morning. And we're that's it. I mean, shout.
Yeah.
I think who see one if you know.
Yeah, we have to tag the
F crack.
I took this picture from.
Say, oh, yeah, Chelsea analysis.
I'm sorry.
Chelsea
ball recovery time 32 seconds, and team my friend Paris Saint-Germain for was 33 seconds. Now, let me talk about the all-important side stories of the game because I come in just a few minutes, and I think that they are worth talking about. Chelsea are winning 30 trophies as a club, and I think that small, they keep on going forward. And now, Abranche friend Cole Palmer won the man of the match and also won the best player of the day. Which me who video we know. I was disappointed in Luis Enrique. Me too so who ya. Say Okobo Joao Pedro Asum.
And no, mama respect an woman on Abafa.
Yeah, Okobo Asum no. It was such a story.
Now you're balusa.
You see, the thing is that Paris Saint-Germain for never thought Chelsea could beat them.
Sure.
They never believed what hits them. And it's just like a lot of people.
See, are they out of frustration?
And a man said, Rich, okay, and Sambia told Bolly Ekaye when they bought Chelsea. Almost can say 1% Chelsea franchise, no? The best in the world. Rich, what a night it was. And now, Chelsea were crowned champions of the world. And you could be asking a CEO New York, which is the administrative capital of the US of A, and then a US of A president, Donald J. Trump, and a presenting trophy, Edema Reece James to Chelsea. Now, this is the story. A club that was coming here, nobody gave them a dog chance. Owned by American owners who were called clueless by a lot of pundits. And then They stand there, world champions, maybe not really world champions, but then winning the World Club Championship in US of A, which without a front shirt sponsor. So what should you say, for Paris Saint-Germain, there's idea shirts, the Qatar Airways and the Denimo. For Robert Sanchez and Cole Palmer, no front shirt sponsor. Chelsea have managed to go through the season without a front shirt sponsor, apart from Denmark for in the last few days. Rich, and then they will go back and marketing-wise. Chelsea have been projected to the highest pedestal to go and negotiate, get the best amount of money, and then put it in front of the front sponsorship deal. And I will leave you with this video. Michelle, oh Chelsea, I need you to come and watch this video. And it is a very emotional video of our brand here friend Enzo Fernandez. Richard, Michelle, I just want to crave your indulgence. Enzo, any abo game na Richard. Na Philip Jorgens in the D kan ba no. Oba no be ha again no say Jack. Why are there? Eh Jesu. Enzo yes o Jesu ntimi nya esu. No ahem no paper na nim kakra. O je ho no na Pedro Neto asaba. Mo be ha again no. Still na Enzo Fernandez esu ni too much. Then on one chrome ni, of course, Iron and Selmino buy. No, see senior. Me ba Chelsea haro. Una wa ma ha krompaya me den na esu ye. Enzo say won't yase. Now, all throughout this time, people did not understand why Enzo Fernandez was crying. No go for yase ni etia also. Rich, after the game, Enzo Fernandez was asked say adintina also. And me person me kind at Sema Enzo Fernandez, I can't say Nhyira Odusu. Then I'll end the conversation there for you. Rich, Enzo Fernandez say, and this is it. I'll say, when I joined, I knew I was coming to a very big institution like Chelsea. That was in a difficult situation. But the owner showed me his project, underlined word, project, what he had in mind for the future. And I think today we are finding that I am so very happy. I think I have achieved something very good on a personal level this season and very good things in terms of assists, goals and titles with the club. That's what I've been looking for since I arrived. Rich Okai Abra, Baghdad Egboli, Eko Benfica, Oni Rui Costa. The report was that Chelsea had to find a way to get Enzo Fernandez because in that World Cup, they had seen the boy and they believe that when they had the first key cock, I see this team in him, and dominates the world. Enzo Fernandez yesterday came full circle. Now, you know when your team say, maybe any team no matter players or me papa team no or me clueless or me £1 billion bottle jobs, and then Nadia be winning Bibia. Enzo Fernandez said he took his time, accepted the Chelsea project, and then made sure that with time he was going to be successful and rich. This man, and then whoever you are, you will give him his credit. Your friend Enzo Maresca, or your Italian branch, but about most of the ball at an early age from Juventus or by England, and of course Spain. The coaching career has been assistant to Manuel Pellegrini and Josep Guardiola. Of course, all about Chelsea, not only be able to show just a championship trophy and then a Pep Guardiola puppet, as people call him. Today, and now, Enzo Maresca has won Chelsea the Conference League in his first season, won Chelsea the Club World Cup in his first season, qualified a team that voted to qualify for the Champions League in his first season, and everybody is singing the song of our branch friend Enzo Maresca. And Oko now Kodin Koma, Maresca say, Nipa bia, whatever you are going through, wherever you are, say, born a share ye fa addition de free. Baby, I will nipa start some more doubt. The only thing you have to do is to hold on to what you say we are good enough for. Stick with it, hold on to your principles, and with time, you are going to be vindicated. And now, Chelsea were the best team in the world. Rich, the last thing I'll say, Luis Enrique, after the game, Omo Bisani said, are they sore losers? Omo your losers are now. Luis Enrique can say be. Although you know winning and no, and only idea me debe to me go to gym and they bomb me bra going forward. Luis Enrique say, in football, there are no losers in the highest level. Or see, the only one that loses is the one that slept yesterday and didn't wake up. And it is clear even in personal life. Nipa biano, nobody loses. The only time, yes, we lose a bra, a radio or no more yasino. watching one confuse him. So as long as you have life, I beg, keep on keeping on. Congratulations to Chelsea. Bad time for the naysayers. For some of us who predicted, it's a big night and we are proud of what we did. And now, see, to boom, boom, kasi in January Chelsea near. Oh, celebrate Chelsea win. No one saying boom. Me catch him on Saturday. Say, chat, you will win. And then now there was a win here. And then your coach essence the mouth. Oh, tactical board. Since Michelle, you're in 10. Na fako na koko chebi. First one no 2-1 4B 4690. Second one 2-1 4B 4395. Third one 2-1 B3 F0D. And our last one no 2-1 4B 4085. Of course, the third one, it means it should be a memo. 2-1 4B 3F0D. These are the codes that Rich Michelle. You scanning 10 na time when you na yanko. Why? See you fast. And home cry.
Messages are Chelsea for the ban. As a more mommy bufu kakra.
Which on your moon
no to the sense obi can say. Semi men chase kana. Or the police be free baby on no baba.
So you see wetin go police station.
Obi kran threaten say obe papa me car tie.
Hey. You know them so you know. Car tie same be anim.
Na me ka say me ntia dey na fifi obetimi ayi.
Ba obetia.
No. Me ka say me ntia me pesa me kire wo say.
Ka on ka obetia.
Say me ka say me ntia dey na obetimi.
There be me nya hwe ba. Obetia tiri fast tia. Why? Enche ho ye anytime. Why? See them. Me mra na. Enye he say me ya. Mamenye 2000
Jusika.
Mamenye na kai. Hey, more dead. Therefore, my 2000 Ghana cedis according to Rich. Into me be come am way 200 cedis. Me be kind. When you 200 we more. Tia Kenya 100. Mamenye kai 100. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. We 1800. Put it 200 cedis.
Masa why na dumo be gina na kan obi ante sem me do 2000 amount. Betena Obi anka say na scan crown so. O kan na say
2000 Ghana say
2000.
Pepe.
Okay. You say who can Chelsea asama my friend.
I mean why?
So who you Chelsea analysis.
Men can be mo.
Frame.
Yeah, chidi.
E musam bibia.
Yeah, chidi mo. Very fine. Why?
To sika na down for sika.
That's it. Na no mo say Paris Saint-Germain for no na mo poor mama no mo hoden.
Omo dey say ade o man me dey.
Omo nya ade.
Luis Enrique.
Charlie, baby akwaji scanifika chom say ma o.
Asemo. Well, in church media ni so in 4.5. Me samedi ni sika man said ye mo aka sam hu o camera ni mu no.